Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to present to you how does a Java program looks like. I'm going to use NetBeans in my demonstrations. So, the minimum structure of a Java program consists of a class with a main method. This method contains a series of instructions. As we see here, public class test, it has the method main, public void main, that takes as arguments an array of type string, and inside the two braces we write our code. What are the variables and other data types inside of Java? First of all, what is a variable? A variable associates a name with a memory space intended to receive a value of a given type. It is designated by the name of the variable. A variable is declared with its type, followed by its name and possibly its initial value. The basic types of variables inside of Java, we have the int, we have the double, we have the char, we have the boolean for true and false. We have other types of integers like the byte, the long, and the float. And of course, at last, we have also the objects, which includes the string. In terms of size, we have the byte, which is the smallest, then short is bigger, integer bigger, long bigger, float bigger, and double bigger. When we say bigger, we mean that can contain a larger number inside of the memory. Okay, so now let's go to NetBeans and try to write a simple program. First of all, we have to press File, New Project, Java application. We give it a name, exercise 1, and finish. So, as you can see, NetBeans have created my application, exercise 1, created my file, and the different libraries needed for executing my file. As you notice, this has an extension of .java because all the code is written in file that has an extension .java. And here we can see that we have a little triangle, green triangle, which notes that this class has the main function. So, as we have seen previously, the class name is exercise 1 and public static void main string args. The main function takes as a parameter an array of strings, and here they say and they tell us where you should write your code. Let's try some of the different variables that we have talked about in our presentation. First, of course, the most known is the integer. We have the boolean, we have the byte, the short, the long, the float. As you see here, we have an F to denote that this decimal is the decimal of float type, because if you don't put an F, it's going to be considered as a double. And we have the double, and we have the string, and of course we have the char. So let's run our program. The system.out.println to help us to print out our message here into the console. And voila. Thank you for watching. This is our first program that we have written. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. More tutorials are coming soon.